Welcome back, guys. It is, a little bright there. Welcome back to the channel, folks. We are doing something on the F30 today. Actually need to change the oil. It's been, well, actually it'll be the first oil change over 100,000 miles. Isn't that kind of cool? It's a brisk, I don't even know, it's cold out, let's see. It's a brisk 27 degrees outside. With it being so cold today, I'm just gonna try and kind of whip through this oil change. You guys have seen me do this before, but I figured it's something I should, get on video because, like I said, it's the first oil change over 100,000 miles. I'm currently at 101,000 miles. Sorry, 101,712 miles. All right, I'm currently at 101,701. I'm having a hard time, folks. I'm currently at 101,712 miles, so I guess time to start doing oil changes more often, more frequently. I'll probably start doing them every 5,000 miles, and I'll show you guys later, but I'm also changing up the oil that I'm using, so we'll get into that. But I gotta move the F30 over to the carport and take the Prelude out and do a little switcheroo. Alright, let's see. It's probably not gonna go the first try. Yep. Slipping out of here. Using the man filter HU816X, and I'm using some liquid moly, full synthetic 5W40 that I picked up off of fcpeuro.com. So go ahead and leave that right there for safekeeping. A lot of you guys have been asking why I've been taking parts off the F30 and stuff, and it's for a few different reasons. Like, I kind of want to just take the car in a different direction, assuming I decide to keep it. But selling it has been on my mind. But today I want to do an oil change because I want to take this thing over to the dealership very soon to have them check out the turbo and also fix something with the airbags. So I got to do, well, I'm just going to do the oil change because I need to do it. It's overdue. So I kind of can't remember if I was able to use one of these to get this thing off last time, but I'm going to see if I can do it again. I'm just going to wrap a towel around this just in case there is any oil spillage. I'm going to try and minimize that as much as possible. And then I think I'm going to take this guy and put it over the oil filter cap there. Let's see, I think I want to go this way with it. Yeah. And yep, it's already loose. Perfect. Old filter is out. Just tossed it in a little grocery bag there. Gonna set it aside. I think normally people say you're supposed to put the new filter in first, but since there's like a bunch of oil up in this reservoir, I kind of want to just drain all the old oil and try and get as much of the old oil out as possible while that cap is off. That's why I left the towel up there so nothing falls into the oil reservoir area. So I think I might just grab the drain pan, pop it under there, and then break loose the 17mm bolt that is for the oil drain.
Yes, dude. That might be the first time I've ever done an oil change and not spilled it right off the bat. Hell yeah. Oh no, it's going off the back end. Yo, I spilled a ton. Dude. Oh no, dude. Oh my god, how do you get oil out of gravel, bro? Oh no.
Dudes, the freaking oil went all off the backside, bro. Oh, that's so annoying, man. Like, you can't just clean up oil out of gravel, so like I guess that's just gonna get soaked up by the gravel. And now it's gonna be this gravel, by the way, is like half cement, so it like hardens over time. So now it's gonna have a nice oil hardened spot in the middle. I really thought I was golden. I couldn't see behind my head that the freaking thing was, oh dude, it's just That's brutal. Oh well. I'll have to try and clean it up as best as I can afterwards, but I guess I've christened the car for it officially with an oil change, so there's that. And it happened to be the first one over 100K on the BMW F30. So next, while we're waiting for the rest of the oil to drip out of there, we can go ahead and grab the man filter and get it set up on the oil filter cap, and then we can also replace the crush washer for that 17 mil bolt that we pulled out underneath the car. Here what we can do is take the old oil filter off of the cap. It should just pop out just like that. Set that aside in there, and then we'll set the cap back, grab the 17 mil bolt and grab this crush washer off there and toss that aside as well. Next, on the oil filter cap, there's a couple, what are they called, washers that we need to take off. So there's this one up top here. If you have like a pick tool, that makes it a lot easier to just kind of get underneath that washer and pry it out. Flathead, much easier. And then there's another one around the upper part, a bigger black piece of rubber that you want to go ahead and pull off as well. Now we can pop open our man filter kit here, which comes with a new filter, and it also comes with those two washers, a new crush washer, makes it all nice and new. Now we'll come back over to the car, remove this little section here, and put our new filter in. Just go ahead and screw it in the opposite way you came out. Okay. And now that that's torqued down, ideally you do want to get this guy down to 25 Newton meters, but I don't actually have the specific wrench cap or socket that goes onto this. So now we can jump down below and put our plug back in with the new crush washer on there. Just install it back with the 17 mil. And now all that's left to do is remove the oil fill cap right here and take that off. And we're gonna pop our funnel in there, and then we'll proceed to add 5 liters of our liquid moly full synthetic 5W40 oil. Once we're done there, go ahead and pull this back out and replace the cap. Tighten it down, and that's it. That should complete our oil change for today. We should be able to make sure we don't have any tools on the bonnet. Good to go. Shut the bonnet, jump back in the car, turn it on, make sure the oil fill light is good, and then we'll make sure that we reset the light so it's not reminding us that we still have to do an oil change. So we'll go ahead and start the car. Looks good. And I'll go ahead and just back it up off the ramps. As you can tell right now, it's giving me all these warning signs, all these things I need to fix on the BMW, guys. The brakes are next, need to do the brakes. So any tips on bleeding them and replacing replacing rotors and pads, let me know. To reset the light, I think what you want to do is press your start stop button once, and then press and hold this trip button over here. All right, reset possible. I actually don't know which one that is. That's definitely oil. So we'll go ahead and press and hold that one. Go ahead and reset it. Reset in progress. The other one was probably for my brake fluid, actually. Reset successful, 12,000 miles. I want to reset that to do every like 3,000 miles. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching today. Just another little update on the F30. Like I said, that's kind of what the plan has been, is getting it ready to bring it to the dealership, have them work on it, and then there's other things that I'm probably gonna have to replace on it, like the turbo, which we both know. So I'm just, we're running through the things that we have to do in order to get where I want to be with this F30. So that's just the reality of it. Oil change is done. Happy to have that checked off. So I have updated the merch store a bunch. So if there's new stickers, there's banners on the website. So go check it out. I even have a sand hoodie or 2 left. So if you're interested in picking those up, do it now before they're gone. I'll throw information down in the description to all that. So thank you guys. Likes, comments, subscribes, bell notifications, keep elevating, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.